Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up that.
Rational numbers. Rational numbers are any numbers which can be represented as quotient of two integers. Example, 1/3, 3/7, -1/2. So the lesson is about addition of fraction. How do we add fraction? So in adding fraction, having the same denominator, copy the denominator and add the numerator. So since we have the same denominator, 5/9 plus 2/9, we just copy 9 and we add 5 plus 2. So the answer is 7/9. We have another number, 3/8 plus 11/8. Again, we have the same denominator. The denominator is 8, so we just copy 8. 3 plus 11 is 14. So 14/8 can be reduced to lowest term as 1 3/4. We have another problem. 15/7 plus 2/14. You will notice that we have different denominator. Since we have different denominator, we need to find the LCD of 7 and 14. The LCD of 7 and 14 is 14. Now, we are going to change the given fraction into a fraction having the same denominator. So, since the LCD is 14, we need to multiply the numerator and the denominator by 2. 15 times 2 is 30, and 7 times 2 is 14. We have already the same denominator. We just copy the denominator 14, then 30 plus 2 is 32. So the answer is 32/14. This can be reduced to lowest term by dividing both the numerator and denominator by 2. 32 divided by 2 is 16. 14 divided by 2 is 7. So the answer is 16/7. Since it is an improper fraction, we need to change the given improper fraction to a mixed number. This can be written as 2 and 2/7. We have problem number 4. 4 1/3 plus 2 1/2. First, we need to add the whole number 4 and 2. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Then we will group 1/3 plus 1/2. The LCD of 1/3 and 1/2 is 6. We will be changing the given fraction into fraction having the same denominator. We will multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 2. On the other side, we will multiply it by 3. So 1 times 2 is 2, and 3 times 2 is 6. 1 times 3 is 3, and 2 times 3 is 6. So we have already the same denominator. 2 plus 3 equals 5. We just copy the denominator 6. So the answer is 6 and 5/6. Now we are already in subtraction of fractions. Since we have the same denominator, we just copy 10. Then 7 minus 3 is 4. The answer is 4/10, which can be reduced to lowest term as 2/5. In the second problem below, we have the same denominator. We just copy 12. 11 minus 5 is 6. The answer is 6/12, or in lowest term, 1/2. We have another number, 15/13 minus 1/2. What is the LCD of 13 and 2? The LCD of 13 and 2 is 26. Now, we are going to change the given fraction into fraction having the same denominator, which is equal to 26. We multiply the numerator and the denominator by 2. On the other side, we will multiply it by 13. So 15 times 2 is 30. 13 times 2 is 26. 1 times 13 is 13. 2 times 13 is 26. So we have already the same denominator. Just subtract the numerator. 30 minus 13 is 17. We just copy the denominator. The answer is 17 over 26. So we have multiplication of fraction. How do we multiply fraction? Multiply the numerator by the numerator and the denominator by the denominator. 2 times 9 is 18. 3 times 20 equals 60. So the answer is 18 over 60. 18 and 60 has a GCF of 6. We are going to divide the numerator and the denominator by the GCF 6. 18 divided by 6 is 3. 60 divided by 6 is 10. So the answer is 3 over 10. We have another number, 2 and 2/3 times 6 and 1/4. We will change 2 and 2/3 to an improper fraction. So 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So 2 and 2/3 is 8 over 3. 6 and 1/4. 6 times 4 is 24. 24 plus 1 is 25. 6 and 1/4 equals 25 over 4. Now we are going to multiply the numerator by the numerator and the denominator by the denominator. 8 times 25 equals 200. 3 times 4 equals 12. 200 over 12. Both the numerator and the denominator are divisible by 4. 200 divided by 4 is 50. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So the answer is 50 over 3. But the given is an improper fraction, and we need to change the given improper fraction to a mixed number. And 50 over 3 is equivalent to 16 and 2/3. We are now in the division of fraction. How do we divide fraction? In dividing fraction, invert the divisor and proceed to the process of multiplication. So we have 2 over 3. Our divisor is 14 over 9. We will change, or we will get the reciprocal of our divisor, which is 9 over 14. So 2 over 3 times 9 over 14. And proceed to the process of multiplication. 2 times 9 equals 18. 3 times 14 equals 42. So 18 and 42 are both divisible by 6. 18 divided by 6 is 3, and 42 divided by 6 equals 7. So the answer is 3 over 7. We have the next number, 12 and 1/4 divided by 3 and 3 over 7. First, we need to change the given mixed number to an improper fraction. 12 and 1/4 means 12 times 4 is 48. 48 plus 1 is 49. So 12 and 1/4 equals 49 over 4. 3 and 3 over 7 can be written as 7 times 3 is 21. 21 plus 3 is 24. So 3 and 3 over 7 equals 24 over 7. Since the operation is division, we are going to invert the divisor and proceed to the process of multiplication. 24 over 7 will become 7 over 24, and the operation division will no longer be division, and it will be multiplication. Now we are already in the process of multiplication. Multiply the numerator by the numerator and the denominator by the denominator. 49 times 7 equals 343, and 4 times 24 equals 96. Now we are going to divide 343 by 96. The answer is 3 and 55 over 96.